Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to share my side hustle income from the past 3 months. So this is all of the income that I've generated outside of my full-time job where I work as a marketing manager. And I'm really happy with how it's grown over the past couple of months, and I'm really excited to share it with you because I think that it's really important to be open with these things. So then we can all share lessons and hopefully I can maybe motivate you into starting your own side hustle. And I also did want to mention that I actually got this video idea from Anna Panda Boss Personal Finance. She does regular videos on her channel where she updates her audience on her passive income and her side hustle income. So I was really truly inspired by her videos to make this one. And I've left a link down in the description below so you can check out her latest video. And make sure you stay till the end of the video because I will be revealing what I made last month, which was September, which was my biggest month yet. And honestly, it is mind-blowing. So make sure you keep watching so you do see that month and how I was able to generate that income. So let's jump into the video and get into July 2020. So this is my side hustle income from July 2020. And as you can see, I've made $397.37 from Flores. And this is actually my false eyelashes brand. So I actually have an e-commerce business where I sell false eyelashes online. And I've done everything for this business, pretty much set up the website, bought all the stock, and yeah, just began packing and sending orders to customers. Of course, earlier this year when I did launch this YouTube channel, I actually enjoyed it way more than I enjoyed the false eyelashes business. So I decided to spend less time on the false eyelashes business and more time on the YouTube channel because it's what makes me happy. So the next thing on this list is digital marketing. So outside of my full-time digital marketing role, I also do have a couple of clients that I work with on the side. And I mainly do for them things like Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and SEO and some other things like that. And similar to the false eyelashes business, I used to make a bit more money doing this and I used to take on more clients, but lately I have been trying to focus more on the YouTube channel. So I've only really kept on board the clients which I really enjoy working on. And one of them is this really cool hairdresser. It's a really awesome hair salon and I really enjoy doing the Facebook and Instagram ads for that business. And you can also see that the next thing on this list is actually a dividend. And I got this dividend from my shares in VAS, which is the Vanguard Australian shares, which tracks the ASX. So in total for July, I made $1,342.89, which is actually a pretty decent month. But I also did want to mention that while it does seem like quite a bit of money that I get to generate on the side, I don't actually get to keep all of this income that I do generate. And I'll show you why in a minute. So you can see the chart up here, and these are all of my business expenses as well. And I wanted to put the business expenses as well for my side hustles because I wanted to show you guys that it's not as easy as people make it out to be. There actually are quite a few expenses when you are starting up your own side hustles, and this is something that you need to factor in as well. And you can actually see here that I actually made a loss in July 2020 for my business at negative $55.90. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video so far and you do appreciate this level of transparency where I actually break down all of my income and all of my expenses, then make sure you give this video a like so you guys can show me that you are enjoying this video so I can continue to create more of these types of videos that you do enjoy. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure you do subscribe for more videos about investing and personal finance. So now let's have a look at my side hustle income for August. So as you can see here, this is my side hustle income. And you can see here that I do have a new side hustle income, which is affiliates. So some affiliates that have really helped me build up this income stream include Stake, also 86400, Upbank, and Amazon, and a couple of other affiliates. So this really helps support the YouTube channel. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for using the affiliate links down in the description below and signing up to any of these services if you have, because it has really helped me out. And as you can see, I wouldn't have any of this income or most of this income if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you so much for doing that for me. I really appreciate it. And you can also see here that Flores, my e-commerce eyelashes business, the revenue has dipped a little bit from the previous month. So has digital marketing as well. So that has dipped a little bit. And of course it is because I am trying to wind down those channels a little bit and focus a bit more time and energy on this YouTube channel, which is something that I really love and enjoy. And you can also see here that I did make a sale from something that I just had lying around, which I didn't need anymore, and that was my hairdryer. So I just decided to sell it on Gumtree. So that's another bit of side hustle income, which is really cool. If you do have any things that are just lying around your home that you don't really use anymore, perhaps you can put them up on Gumtree or Craigslist or whatever you guys use and start to make some extra money from it. So as you can see here, the side hustle income from August was $1,662.94, which is a really good month. And you can see that it has increased from the previous month, which is just awesome. And I also did want to show you the other expenses that I did have for this month, which you can see here. And as you can see, the expenses for this month weren't as high as the previous month, because in the previous month, I forgot to mention, but I actually did purchase a new camera and some new lighting, which was a bit more expensive. And this month didn't have to purchase any of those things because I had purchased them in the previous month. So the expenses for August was $787.81. So the total profit and loss for August was $875.13. And I'm really happy about making a profit in this month. $875 is a really decent profit. And what I normally do with my business is, obviously I do want to grow this YouTube channel as much as possible, because doing this is something that I really enjoy. And as you know, I do currently work as a marketing manager full-time. So the goal is to eventually one day be able to do this full-time. So all of the money that I do have in my business account is money that I do want to reinvest in the business to grow it even more. So even though you can see that it is a profit, I'm not actually going to be taking that money out and using that for any of my investments. All of the profit that I do make, I do want to reinvest back into the business to grow even more and to create even better videos for you guys. So I hope you do appreciate that, and I would really appreciate it if you did leave a like on this video if you are finding some value out of it. And this month is super exciting. So this is for September, and I'm actually really shocked by how much money the business and all of my side hustles were able to generate in this month. And I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So for September, you can see all of the side hustle income that I made here. And you can see that, yeah, it has gone up quite a lot on pretty much all fronts. So affiliate, $648, which is, again, thanks to you guys. Thank you so much for using the links down in my description below. It honestly means the world to me, and I really appreciate your support. So thank you so much for signing up to any of the links. We also have Flores, which has increased from the previous month, so $419. And the YouTube ads, which was a new source of revenue that I added to my side hustle income. So this was my first YouTube check that I actually got, which is super exciting. So the first one was $333.33, which is a very interesting number. The next side hustle income was bank interest, which is really exciting. I know it's really small. It's only $3.59, But I'm so excited about this because when I was going through my bank statements, I was initially with ING, but I wasn't getting the bonus interest rate because I wasn't making the minimum amount of card purchases because I do use a credit card. So that's one of the reasons why I switched to 86,400. And what I found was my whole bank interest for ING for the whole of last year wasn't even as much as the bank interest that I got from just 1 month with 86,400, which is just insane to me. So even though it's $3.59, which isn't a whole lot, that's still, pretty decent, especially just from 1 month. So if you are someone like me and you do use your credit card and you aren't really making those minimum card purchases, I think 86,400 could be worth looking into, and I also do have a link in my description below so you can check it out and you get a free $20 and I also get a free $20 when you do sign up. And the next thing is digital marketing, of course, so this has increased in the last month, and secret shopping, which is also a new revenue stream. So I was actually inspired by Todd Baldwin, and he's a US YouTuber and he's super money savvy and money smart. So he actually does this over in the US. So what secret shopping is, a shop will actually pay you to go shopping and perhaps even take photos of the bread aisle or list your opinions on what different products look like, and they will actually pay you for your time. It's not a whole lot of money, so usually when I do it, it's only about $10, maybe $8, or sometimes it might even be $20 each time. But I think if you're already going shopping and you're already in the supermarket, you might as well have a look on the app and see if there's a secret shopping job for you. And the big thing that has made this side hustle income so big this year is the mortgage refinancing. So I did refinance my mortgage with 86,400 because I was with a different bank before, and even though they did have a really good interest rate, they didn't offer offset accounts. So that's the reason why I wanted to switch to 86,400, and they also did have this bonus sign up offer, and you get a free $2,000 when you do refinance your home loan with 86,400. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to refinance my mortgage with 86,400, and they also do offer really competitive interest rates as well. And so the final thing is the offset account. So this, even though technically it's not money, it's money that I've essentially saved by not having to pay that in interest. So now that I do have an offset account with 86,400, I am able to put some spare cash into there. So then it reduces the interest that I pay. So I saved $4.14 here. So the total for September was $4,537.13, which is just mind-blowing. I am so happy and so grateful for how this month has panned out, and I really want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, for giving me these extra streams of income. It honestly means the world to me, so I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And I also did want to note some of the costs for September as well. So yeah, even though it is quite a bit of money, I'm not keeping all of this money. These are costs that I immediately made in September, and there actually are going to be some more costs in the next month. So when I do my next month's video, you'll also see that I have made some extra purchases for the YouTube channel, including this microphone, which you might not be able to see now, but I'm sure we can put in a clip so you can see it. All of the things that I buy for this YouTube channel are really expensive. So this income is really important to be able to grow the YouTube channel and to be able to make even better videos for you guys. So the total profit for this month was $3,841.01. So even though there was a profit for this month, I am keeping it in my bank account, and I will be using it for any business purchases that I do need, because I do want to reinvest in this channel and grow as fast as possible. So I really hope you did enjoy this video, and I hope you like this level of transparency. Let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are on this video, and perhaps I'll turn this into more of a regular segment where I actually break down all of my side hustle income, how much money I've made, why I've made this much money. So then you can really see the full picture and get a full understanding of what goes into running a business and what sort of side hustle streams you can also start. And if you did find value out of this video, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos about investing, personal finance, and anything side hustle related. I create a lot of videos on this channel really regularly, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. And if you'd like to see some more videos, I've put some links to some videos here that you can check out, so make sure you click the links.